Placing the Bible book into the Kylin Ky-DTR-1 machine. The machine automatically executes corner cutting, sanding, and dust removal, followed by precise gluing and integrated round corner gold edge rolling, manually turning the book to feed the other straight corner into the machine. The automated system quickly restarts the process for the second corner, achieving consistent efficiency and impeccable quality. If you require an even more intense or premium look, the entire workflow can be easily repeated to further enhance the gold edging effect. Let's take a close look at the finished round corner of the Bible. The brilliant gilt edging is flawlessly smooth and highly reflective, showcasing top-tier craftsmanship and professional quality. From the side angle, we can clearly observe the full mechanical workflow. First, the precise cutting mechanism creates the perfect round corner. Next, high-speed sanding and dust removal prepare the edge surface. Then, a uniform layer of glue is applied automatically, leading directly into the heated foil rolling station. Behold the complete finished look of the Bible. A luxurious, elegant golden edge that adds immense value to the book. The Ky-DTR-1 is exceptionally versatile. Now, let's demonstrate its performance on another material, paper cards. The machine handles thick paper stock with the exact same automation. From corner cutting to the final brilliant gold foil transfer, the operation remains incredibly stable, fast, and simple to operate, making it perfect for high-end playing cards, invitations, and stationery. Here is the spectacular final effect on the paper cards. Kylin Machine Company, advancing your post-press finishing technology.